recipe is a wonderful tea time snack and it's best had with some nice coconut chutney by the side. So let's get started and check out the recipe. This is Keerai Bonda. The greens I've used in this recipe is Amaranth. In Tamil we call this Arai. I've used half bunch of this specific greens. Just take the leaves and discard the stalk. Take the chopped greens into a bowl. To this add 2 cups of besan or gram flour. To this add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, add some chopped green chilies, add some finely chopped ginger, add 1 small onion finely chopped. Add enough water to get the right consistency for the batter. After mixing all the ingredients, if you need more besan, you can add to get the right consistency for the batter. The bonda batter is ready. I'm just going to add a pinch of cooking soda before I make the bondas. Just mix it all in. The bonda batter should be a little thick and a nice dropping consistency. The oil is hot now. Let's start making the bondas. You can use your hand to drop the batter into the oil. Be careful while dropping the bonda batter into the oil. Keep the flame on medium-low and start frying the bondas. Make sure you turn them at intervals so they are cooked through on all sides. Once you get a nice golden brown color on all sides, remove it from the oil. There you go, enjoy this lovely Keerai Bonda with some nice fresh coconut chutney. Now you can use any greens for this recipe. There's nothing in particular that you should use. So enjoy the recipe with some nice tea or coffee. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.